In our previous video, we showed you how Mary makes her Holey Suck N Stuff. It's basically a crevice tool hack for stuffing cushions at home.
Okay, so you want to attach it to your shop vac. And you can see how we made this in our last video if you want to make your own. And we use silk film plastic here, but you could use like a any kind of drop cloth plastic or even a plastic bag that you cut open. And you're going to lay that on your surface. Lay the Suck and Stuff device on the table with the holes up. Put your cushion on so that the back side of the cushion, which would have the zipper, is to the hose. And then you want enough plastic to totally cover your cushion. It wraps around the whole thing. Then you're going to turn on your vacuum. And it's going to suck down to quite small. And it's real nice because you can lift it. It's hands-free. You can roll it if you have the ears on the end. And then you're going to take your cushion and stuff it, cushion cover, and stuff it in. Get it all the way to the front. And then turn off your vacuum. And you can pull out the tool and let the air back in. And it will expand and fill in your cushion. Sorry about the dirty cushion. We were using one that we had on hand for a demonstration.
Good luck.